Hello, this is Oshi from Crafting with Oshi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. I love it. Isn't it bright and happy and just full of joy? So let's get started and I'll show you what I did. So the card base is one of our new in colours and this is Misty Moonlight, and this is a standard A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then we've got some pieces of Whisper White, and this measures 10 centimeters by, let me have a look, yeah, 10 centimeters square. And then I've got a piece here of Designer Series paper, and this is the In Colours again, and this is one of the new colours, Magenta Madness, and I love it. And this measures 9.5 centimeters square, and we're just going to stick one to the other, and you can see you've got either the text or you've got this really funky wood grain. So let's stick this down. Okay, there we go, and we bring back our card base, and this is going to go here, as you can see. Then I've got a piece here again, and this time I'm going to use my wood grain, I think, and this piece measures, or should measure, at least 10 centimeters high by however many you want along. Let's see how many along. This measured about 6 centimeters along, and it's just so I can tuck underneath there. Okay, so now we're going to stick all of this down to our card base. Yeah, that'll do as far as I'm concerned. Just like that. Okay, so let's set all of that palaver aside. Actually, that's not, because I've just noticed I did something wrong. You're going to wrap some ribbon around here, or you were going to wrap some ribbon around here, but I forgot. So we're going to just have to make the best of it. This is the Misty Moonlight ribbon, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It has a lovely soft cotton feel to it. So all we're going to have to do here now as well is rip this up a bit as well. You can tell I'm not having a great day, but you'll see, you know, you won't even know by the time we're finished that we ripped everything up. Okay, I'm just going to put some more snail down here, a little bit along here, and then we're just going to wrap this piece around and underneath. So just try and get it as straight as possible. And I'm just going to put some snail here for it to, so it has something to stick to, otherwise it's just going to bounce out. Okay, there we go. None the wiser that I made a boo-boo. Okay, so now we can set all of that aside and we can do some stamping. So scrap piece of Whisper White. Ink pad is Night of Navy. Stamp set is one of my favourites, So Sentimental. I love all of these nice bold sentiments. I can't thank you enough. Your friendship is a blessing. Yummylicious, sending healing hugs. We're going to be using this thank you one today. And we're just going to stamp it in Night of Navy. Now you could stamp it in Misty Moonlight, but none of the ink colouring pads were available on the pre-order. I've made a bit of a boo-boo there. Were available on the pre-order. They are available now at the start of the catalogue, the official catalogue launched to customers. Everything is actually available, so don't worry. It's just we as demos couldn't order the colour early. And I am doing this video on the 4th of June because I'm way ahead of myself at the moment. I'm actually finished all my videos right through to the end of June, at the beginning of June, so I'm very impressed with myself, very proud of myself for that. So I'm just using Night of Navy because, as I said, I don't have any Misty Moonlight, and I think it works just as well. I'm going to punch that out with my punch, which is the Label Me Lovely punch. Set that aside, and actually we're going to punch out another piece here out of some Misty Moonlight cardstock. So there we go. Put that away. Bring out my scissors. And we're going to cut this in half down the centre. You've seen me doing this trick a zillion times. Okay, and I'm going to put some Tombow on the back of here. And then we're just going to use this to, a Misty Moonlight, to matte this so it looks like we have a bigger punch when we don't. But I like things matted and layered. I think everything looks better when it has a frame. I mean, all artwork is framed, so why shouldn't we frame things on our cards as well? So I really like a frame. I think it just adds something. There we go. Okay, so bring back our card. We just need some dimensionals here, and we're just going to put some on the back of our piece. And as normal, I'm quite generous with my dimensionals. That'll do, even for me. Okay, get the backs off. Not wanting to come off. There we go. I always do this, check the back to see if I've got them all. And then I'm just going to place this here over the seam. I'm just moving my paper because I've got Tombow here and I don't want my card sticking to it. I'll sort of move it out the way. And I've got Tombow on the other side of the grid paper as well, so I can't even turn it over. I'm doing well today, aren't I? And then I've got one of these are enamel dots, and these are a new in colour enamel dots, and I'm just going to put this at the end of the tail of the Y, and there you go. Got that one, and then you've got that one, so you've got the two different patterns. So which do you like better? A or B? Now this is wanting to come up here, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to show you just in case this happens to you, is I'm just going to squirt a little bit of Tombow underneath and hold it for a second, and problem solved. And no one would know that I had to rip that up to put the ribbon down, would you? So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information on this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are also in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!